Wood joinery is one of the more challenging woodworking tasks in this review. Many people have difficulty joining two separate pieces of wood and hiding the fasteners. In fact, this expertise is almost an art form. Most types of joinery require precision, patience, and often expensive tools. There is one exception: pocket hole jigs. These surprisingly simple and handy tools make joinery easy and affordable. Even a novice DIY woodworker can create professional-looking joints without spending hundreds of dollars on tools. All you need is a jig and a drill. Since its introduction in the 1990s, the popularity of pocket hole clamps has steadily increased. Toolmakers produce a variety of models, from basic jigs for casual DIYers to large benchtop jigs for experienced woodworkers to power jigs for professional workshops. Please see the product link provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for more updates. Garden Review present top 5 best pocket hole jigs. Let's get started. Number 5. TNA Woodwork Guides Pocket Hole Jig. The Woodwork Mini Pocket Fixture is designed to facilitate do-it-yourself woodworking. Dressers, worktops, kitchenware, dining tables and other home or commercial projects can all be easily completed with the help of fixtures. Its bits and rings are made of carbon steel for greater durability and longer strength. Jigs locators, on the other hand, are made of aluminum for very high durability. The double grooves on this fixture have a 15 degrees drilling angle and two-way holes. The inclination provides a perfect screw connection and the convenience of concealing screws. With the toggle clamp you received, you can firmly grasp the clamp and drill holes at the perfect angle. 3 pairs of drill drive adapters are included with the fixture in 6mm, 8mm and 10mm sizes. You can easily change between these pairs to suit any type of wood, location or angle. They conform to size-matched plugs and sleeves. Number 4. WORKPRO Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The WORKPRO Pocket Hole Jig Kit is one of the best products in this category, and you should certainly check this out if you're looking to buy a jig for pocket holes. This product comes with a built-in scale to measure the thickness of materials and choose the most suitable depth setting out of the 9 settings that are available. Setting this tool up is quite easy too, as it comes with a clamping magnet, which also ensures that it is sturdy and stable. Other features of this product include a carrying case to keep the jig and the additional tool organized, and a double chip hole to exhaust the sawdust out from the jig easily. Number 3. Massca Aluminum Pocket Hole Jig. If you're looking for a product that meets your needs, the Massca store's clamp system is a great choice. This jig system enables you to drill pocket holes with high precision and accuracy, while allowing you to adjust the depth according to the thickness of the wood. The frame of the product is made of heavy-duty aluminum, ensuring it is strong and reliable enough. Plus, this product comes with a dust collector nozzle that allows you to minimize debris and wood chips, and a built-in clamp to help you keep the clamp firmly in place. Number 2. MulWark Premium Pocket Hole Jig. The pocket hole jig from the MulWark store is sure to be one of our top 5 products in this category. First, the core of this product is made of high-grade hardened steel, and durable materials are used for other components, ensuring that this product will last long. This product is a complete package that includes everything you need. It's easy to use and set up as it offers 9 different thickness measurement settings, 7 depth settings and 9 fixture position options, enabling you to use the tool for a variety of tasks. In addition, the tool comes with a lifetime warranty, which in itself speaks to the reliability of the product. Number 1. General Tools Woodworking Pocket Hole Jig. General Tools is a New York-based tool manufacturing industry. 1922, for nearly a century, they have been providing customers with a wide range of affordable, purpose-built mechanical hand tools. Their 850 heavy-duty pocket hole clamps are just as good at giving you long-term service excellence. What makes us and the customers who use it love it so much is that it's so low cost that anyone can afford it. All professionals and DIYers turn to this pocket hole jig system when it comes to ease of use. Therefore, even if you are a hobbyist, you will not find it difficult to handle and operate this tool. Your JIG system can help you create flush, corner, and corner pocket hole joints for leg and rail connections to build face frame cabinets. You can easily install screws into tight spots and limitless applications of wood framing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.